Welcome to a sneak peek of bonus lesson number 8 from our breakthrough digital course, ChatGPT for Credit Repair. In this lesson, we're going to tackle charge-offs. You know, charge-offs don't have to be a permanent stain on a credit report. Understanding and addressing them properly can really turn things around. In this bonus video, number 8, Chris O'Connell, he's going to share his insider secrets on mastering the art of eliminating charge-offs, curated especially for credit repair business owners. And again, this is all using AI. So these are new techniques that you've never seen before. In this lesson, you'll uncover how to use ChatGPT to draft articulate and really influential letters for disputing charge-offs. You'll get expert-driven strategies to negotiate with creditors and initiate the removal process, as well as access to templates that can be tailored to your client's unique scenarios. This course is your chance to learn the art of completely wiping out charge-offs using AI. Pretty cool, right? Well, if you want to grow your credit repair business, you want to get better results for your clients, enroll in our course today, and Chris and I will see you on the inside.